friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making egg in a hole in the air fryer. So for this easy recipe, we just need bread, egg, and salt and pepper. And we also need a pan that fits inside the air fryer. So first I'm going to spray the pan with a non-stick cooking spray so the egg doesn't stick. Next, I'm going to take a slice of bread and I'm going to cut a hole using a glass. And now let's transfer the bread into the pan. And I'm going to crack an egg in a hole. And sprinkle the egg with salt and pepper. And you can also add the slice of bread that came out of the hole. And now let's put this pan in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 6 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this amazing egg in a hole. It's so nicely browned and the egg is still runny inside. You'll see this is perfectly cooked. So let's carefully take it out of the air fryer. And now let's try it. See, the egg is still runny there. Let's try it. I'm so excited. Perfect. And let's try a piece. Amazing. You're going to love cooking egg in a hole in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!